Guys, this is actually the waterfall in Central Park, NYC, and it's pretty cool. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here again with another real quick video. If it's your first time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now if you could listen clearly, there's a waterfall I'm about to share that with you and some other fun stuff. Now this is Central Park, NYC guys, so stay tuned. So guys, basically I'm here at a bridge, and I don't know what those are, but I think this bridge is really cool. I just wanted to share that with you. If you listen clearly, you could hear the waterfall, and that's exactly where we're heading to, guys. As you can see, people taking professional pictures next to the waterfall, and this is the quick tour. So guys, as you can see, it's not a huge waterfall, but I think it's pretty cool. Let's see if I can give you a close-up. Besides guys, I do love the sound of running water. So let's see if we could go up these rocks. I'll try to be careful, and I don't want to break something by going up these rocks. I just want to see where it starts, guys. And while this is not a huge waterfall, I like all waterfalls. I think they're just awesome, and just the sound is so relaxing. A lake, but it's filled with algae. I think it's that green stuff. I don't know if it's cool or if it's weird, guys, but let's move on. So cool, guys. 1864. Guys, like always, I try my best to share the best view. This view is awesome. Guys, this is a part of the reservoir, and let's see if I can give you a close-up. So cool. So guys, Central Park, multiple biking everywhere. Guys, is basically a wonderful day for everyone to just hop onto a bike. Bike is everywhere to rent or to have your own. Over there, basically, that's a tour. They just ride around the park and share fun, I would say, history about the park and landmark that people would see and enjoy. So cool, guys. So guys, you came, you saw, hopefully you like. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I know it was a real quick video. Like always, I'll see you in my next one.